Put it back on the sidewalk, honey. That's it. That's it. Yeah. Oh, wow, are you smart? Okay, now keep it on the sidewalk. Uh-oh. Let's put it back on the sidewalk. Come on, let's put it over here. Put it over here with Grandpa. That's it. Let's get down here. Oh, you're going to go to Granada. You are so smart. Yeah, you forgot your car. Go back on the sidewalk. Well, I think the steering wheel is cockeyed. Maybe we put it on the driveway. The driveway is wider.
Do you want to ride? Do you want to ride on it? Come here, let's have you sit. Show Grandpa how you drive. Here. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
I think we're much better off when we're pushing it. Beep, 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 beep.